What motivates me is changing the lives of other women, enjoying the process because you have to help and share the opportunity with many women and let their God-given talents develop. Because I'm the owner of my time, I can organize myself, I can do things with my family, meet people. I mean, it's something that's truly priceless. It's what I like most about Mary Kay. My favorite part of having a Mary Kay business is giving. I also love to pamper my clients, make them feel super special. It's like that personal touch, that little detail, that way they feel fantastic, that they pay you with a thank you, with a smile. I love it. Never stop sharing opportunity because you do not know whose life you can change. Use all the resources you have. Everything is ready. You just have to put it into practice. Enjoy the trajectory, enjoy the road, enjoy all that, and do the work with love. The perseverance of doing it every day is what will help you reach that certain goal that you set for yourself, so don't stop. The results are going to be wonderful.